Cardi.
Plaintiff calls Emani Ellis to the stand as our first one.
Thank you.
Emani Ellis coming to the stand. The security guard.
Do you solemnly state that the testimony you may give in the cause now pending before this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you. May I please have you state and spell your first and last name for the record?
Yes, my name is Emani Ellis. Last name is Ellis.
Yeah,
Your
Ellis.
first name, please.
Emani, yes, Emani.
Perfect. Thank you. You may take a seat. Please watch your step.
Comment said Cardi got the Sharon Osbourne wig on.
All right, go ahead, Counsel. Thank you, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Ms. Ellis. For the record, how old are you?
32.
And on the date of February 24th, 2018, what were you doing?
I was at work on duty as a security guard.
Where were you?
The address of the building was 8920 Wilshire Boulevard.
And for how long had you been working as a security guard as of 2018?
For 4 years.
And what did it take to become a licensed security guard?
You have to get fingerprinted and it's sent to the state of California for approval.
And do you have any criminal record?
No.
Could you become a security guard if you have a criminal record?
No.
Have you ever assaulted and battered anybody in your lifetime?
No.
Okay.
Were you using your telephone to take photographs of the defendant when you saw her exit the elevator?
No.
So if you could just tell us in your own words, when you got to the 5th floor, you were doing your rounds, and you saw Cardi B, what did you say?
I said something along the lines of, that looks like Cardi B, or wow, that's Cardi B.
Were you talking to anybody at that time?
No.
You're sure?
Yes.
Were you entering the elevator?
I was, yes.
Did you actually go inside the elevator?
I did, yes.
And did Cardi B exit the elevator?
She did, yes.
Okay, and then what happened?
After she heard me say her name, she turned back around and the first thing out of her mouth was, excuse my language, was, why the f telling people that you seen me? At this time, I tried to calm her down and assure her that I didn't tell anyone that I seen her, and she was extremely upset.
And what did she tell you after that?
Then, excuse my language again, but she said, yes, the f did, and then she put her finger in my face.
When she put her finger in your face, did she have long fingernails?
She did.
And approximately how long were her fingernails on the date when she put them in your face?
About 2 to 3 inches long.
When you have seen different pictures and videos of Cardi B, do you notice that she has long fingernails in those videos and photographs?
Yes.
Yeah.
When you saw her today, did you notice that her fingernails were very short?
Yes.
Does she usually wear them that short?
Objection.
How would she know that? Yeah.
Also lacks foundation, so skin.
Have you seen, well, strike that. For how long?
Yeah, as far as we know, she could go out and do a music shoot with the nails just for her like image, and then immediately take them off. They press on. We don't know if she normally has a.
Were you a fan of Cardi B before this incident?
I was.
What kind of fan were you?
I enjoyed her music. I was interested in going to a concert. I didn't have any problem with her.
Did you ever go to see her in concert?
I had tickets to go to see her, but I never went after this incident.
Oh.
When were you supposed to go see her in concert?
I'm not sure of the date. It was sometime in 2018.
And you're very close with your grandmother, Diane Schmidt, is that correct?
Correct.
Grandma.
How old is your grandmother?
She's 79.
Does she have information about this incident?
Objection. Assistant. Lacks foundation. Assistant.
You got to ask it a different way. Does anybody know?
Did you show your grandmother the scar on your left cheek after February 24th of 2018?
Did you show anybody? Yeah.
Could you repeat the question, please?
Did you show the cut on your left cheek after February 24th of 2018 to your grandmother, Diane Schmidt?
Yes.
And what year were you born?
1992.
And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I'm the oldest of 5.
And your grandmother has seen you regularly from birth up to the present time?
Yes.
And what about your mother? Did you live with your mother up until a certain point?
Until the age 19.
She must not have any pictures of her cut.
Did you sustain any? Well, strike that. Let me take you a little bit back to the. So, when you were at the building and Cardi B exited the elevator on February 24th, 2018, what were the words that she used that were so hurtful?
She used a lot of words, and again, excuse my language, but she was like, you, I'm gonna beat you, I'm gonna get you fired. That's why you do security. Ah, that's why you do security. Ah, she was sticking her tongue out. She was flailing her arms up and down. She was jumping up and down. Body shaming.
We got Cardi. I can kind of imagine that. Like, even if she didn't do it, now it's like her personality is betraying her because she got that image like, now you're doing it. Like, you could imagine Cardi shaming somebody from what we know about her on the outside.
Me, I mean, racial slurs, just a lot.
And did she spit on you?
She did.
Oh, that's that money.
It did.
Oh, you spit on somebody. She gonna have to pay that money. Oh my God. I can't imagine somebody spitting on me. I would try to kill you. Her being pregnant at that time, and you don't know what Offset did when she was just home. Like, she could have did anything. She could have took anything out on this lady that's assuming we believe her, which she's, goddamn, she's on this witness stand. She looking good. Even with the little stuff like the, excuse my language once again, it's like, oh, she's classy, she's security, she's composed, and she's just saying what happened. Like, Cardi might have to settle.
Why did you exit the elevator to speak with her after she said what she said?
I wanted to clarify the misunderstanding.
Did you also want her to leave because she was causing a disturbance?
At that time, she was causing a disturbance. She was yelling and screaming, and I did want her to leave.
And as a security guard, were you working there as an extension of the owner to be able to make that kind of call, whether somebody should be told to leave because they're causing a disturbance?
Objection, leading my foundation.
No, overruled.
Could you repeat the question, please?
I'm going to ask you a different question.
Yeah. Did you have permission?
Did the landlord hire you as a security guard to protect its building?
Yes.
Black's foundations.
And did you do that?
Yes.
For how long?
For about 4 years.
That judge is probably getting tired of Cardi and them. Like, this woman lawyer Cardi got is laughing. Like, she making faces like, not laughing, but it's like, what? Huh? Like, and then they keep just objecting to stuff. And the judge, you could tell the judge is like, come on. He objected to it. He acted a different way. Then they object again, like, overruled. Come on, I gave you the first one. Like, let him get through this damn story.
During those 4 years, did you ever have a problem with anybody else?
Never.
Not one time.
Not as far as I can remember, no. Not a perfect employee, but a good employee.
Did the defendant take a swing at you?
She did.
Oh, money.
When she took a swing at you, it didn't hit your body, correct?
No.
She tried.
Did the defendant use her fingernails to cut your face?
She did.
Oh, money. Every time she do something that increase the price, I'm doing it.
As a result of the cut to your face, place, did you have to see 2 different plastic surgeons?
Yes,
Did you undergo plastic surgery?
I did.
Oh man, Cardi about to pay. Oh my God, Cardi, why didn't you settle? I thought it was hearsay because they asked about the grandma, and you think, okay, maybe the grandma seen it, she ain't got no pictures or nothing. If this woman afterwards had the scar and they got a picture of it, and she had to go to 2 different plastic surgeries following this incident, Cardi, just settle. Who told her to come out this with the wig and trying to be humble, and it don't even look right? Cardi got too much money to ever fit in. She even trying to fit in, she stand out. Ugh.
If I may show exhibit number 7.
But that's a photograph. You never disclosed it.
Uh-oh.
2 photographs that we discussed earlier.
I'm gonna let him show the photographs.
These lawyers all over the place. They don't even know what he about to show. He like, we gave it to you. They're like, we don't know what you're talking about. He like, this is one of the photos. Cardi, you should have settled. I get it. You're a celebrity. You probably don't want people coming after you. Like, hey, I got to take a stand because if I pay her out, then the fucking woodwork's going to come out. That nasty. Did you just hear that? They don't even know what picture he about to show. Cardi looking at them.
What's that?
I'm sorry, for the record, read that.
Oh, can you just identify it by number?
Yes,
Each
sir.
one?
Would it be okay to get one of those books?
I do not like that woman's lawyer face. She like she just there for the money. Cardi, get you some new counsel.
Your Honor, I would like to show exhibit 7-001.
Understanding you're objecting to their admission, do you want them to lay foundation, or are we gonna stipulate foundation?
Well, I'm sorry, go ahead.
You want
I
to
thought you were
stipulate?
asking him if he wanted to lay a foundation.
Do you want them to lay a foundation, or you stipulate, sorry?
No, he doesn't.
Okay. Then why don't you show the photograph to your client first to identify what it is?
Yes, Your Honor. If you can look into that notebook on your right.
You want him to lay foundation? They asking him like, yo, you objecting to showing this photo. Do you want him to like orally say the reason why we need to show this? And they're like, nah, we don't want him to have to explain, oh, because this is going to show you the damage and why my client went through so much pain and suffering and had to have 2 plastic surgery. We don't want him to say that. He said, nah, go ahead, just go ahead.
Number 7.
Oh, we can't see it. Oh,
At some point
they ain't show us.
recently, did you go to the building
Is that it right there?
and accompany people from my office to take photographs of the incident?
Yes.
Did y'all see the scar?
The purpose of taking the photographs were to show where the incident occurred and to give the jury understanding of what kind of building we're dealing with?
Yes.
And you feel it's important that they see that?
Absolutely.
Oh, he's had to lay foundation. Something happened.
Published that 7-001.
Think we're gonna see it.
You only had her authenticate number with the first page, and just want to have her thumb through it.
Sure.
Verify that those are the photographs you took and that they.
Yes, Your Honor, I will do so. If you can look at 7-001 through 7-022, if you can look at all those photographs.
Can't be out here putting your hands
Those
on people.
photographs of the building where you worked on February 24th, 2018.
Yes.
And if you look towards the end, 7-022, is that the area where the incident took place?
One second. Yes.
I feel like I see a scar right there on the.
Yeah, just identify.
I guess it'd be her left, by her eye. I don't know if that's it. Spit on her, call her
I'm just
names.
going to show exhibit Exhibit 7-001.
Cut her. She was pregnant, going through stuff she could have been, man. Surprised they got no video in that damn building, though. The elevator, man.
Ms. Ellis, is this the photograph that we discussed, which is the outside of the building where you worked at 8920 Wilshire Boulevard in Beverly Hills?
Yes.
Okay. 7-002. Is this a closer picture of the same building?
Correct.
And this is a 6-story building in the city of Beverly Hills. It's an older building, correct?
Correct.
And then 7-003. We're getting closer to the front.
Correct.
7-004. Is that the front entrance of the building where you work?
Yes.
Okay. 7-005. Another photograph of the same front, closer up.
Yes.
All right, we see the building.
7-006. You see that photograph? Is that the inside of the lobby of the building where you work?
Yes.
And 7-007. Was that security booth there when you worked there? Do you remember?
Thank you, cameraman.
Did you sit behind that security booth?
I did.
And on the date of the incident, were you wearing your uniform?
Yes.
7-007 is a photograph of that booth where you sit. 7-008, was that sign there on the date when you worked there?
Yes.
Okay. 7-009, these are the elevators that guests and visitors of the building would take to get upstairs, is that correct?
Yes.
It's a nice building,
And
like you
on
would
the day of the
expect.
incident, do you remember if you took the elevator to get to the 5th floor, or maybe took the stairs? Do you remember?
I'm not sure.
All right, if I can take, we're going to skip. We'll just go through it here fast. 7-010. Is this a photograph of the elevator which Cardi B got out of on February 24, 2018?
Yes.
And that's the elevator that you entered, correct?
Yes.
It's a relatively
Celebrities and elevators don't mix. We've seen it countless times.
small elevator, isn't it?
Yes.
It's
And
decent.
7-011. Is that a photograph of the elevator area where the incident took place that we took recently?
Yes.
And obviously on the day of the incident, you were there. It was a Saturday, correct?
Yes.
Was it this way with garbage all around, or not?
Not at that time, no.
7012 and 7013 and 7014 and 7015 are photographs of the hallway leading up to the elevator bay, correct?
Yes.
It's a small
And-
hallway.
Did Miss Cardi B walk down the hallway after she spoke with you and came back, or did everything happen right at the elevator bay?
She did. She came out and looked around, and then when she heard what I said, she turned back around to approach me.
Okay, if we could go to 7-021.
They ain't got much here, but she took the stand on Cardi. I don't know. This woman sounds believable, but you never know. But with Cardi's background, I'm trying to get a good picture. With Cardi's background, though, it's believable. What we see her do on social media and everything else is very believable that she could have did that to that woman, especially at that time she pregnant, and we know Cardi to be a hothead. I'm from New York, blah, 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 Joe Button, blah, 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 and all this, and going off on people. So she's very likely to do that, and it sounds believable. And if I see Cardi come, like she say her name so much, Cardi or Barty, like if you see her at the elevator, I probably be like Cardi, and just go. So she turn around like, yo, why the hell you say my name? I'm trying to be low key, blah blah. Like, whoa. Nah, that ain't it. And she could have been mad at anything. You never know what people going through. Like, she interacts with millions of people a week. This one incident, like, boom. So I get why she come to court. But look at the lady right here. Look at her laughing. She's like you ever see like a child do that? You be asking, did you do that? They're like, no, when you talk to me, what? I wasn't even at home last night. I wasn't like, yo, what you mean you wasn't at home last night? You 8 years old. You were here. Somebody snuck in this kitchen in the middle of the night. Kitchen? I don't even know what a kitchen is. What? That's the vibe that this lady's giving me. Cardi, you need better representation. I don't know if you did it or not. Look at him. Even he like, the fuck are you laughing at? Like, what are you laughing at? She's sitting here like, she paying them probably thousands of dollars, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars, and she gonna have to pay her. Like, what are you laughing at? Like, I do not like, look, this image right here. I do not like this. Like, this is bad. But let me know what y'all think, Cave Dwellers. Like, yeah, y'all think Cardi B gonna have to come out her pockets? She said she called her names, spit on her, and she cut her to the point where she needed 2 plastic surgeons. Like, how is that even? Hold, let me just see if I can. Let me see if there's any pictures of her, because this is crazy. Hold on. I just want to see if there's any pictures of this woman. Cardi B assault trial. I don't see nothing. Hold on. Y'all can hear this probably. Hold on.
And she was extremely upset.
And
Let me see. Hold on.
what did she tell you after that?
Then, excuse my language again, but she said, yes, you did, and then she put her finger in my face.
When she put her finger in your face, did she have long fingernails?
She did.
And approximately how long?
There ain't nothing that's showing the cut. Or her scar or anything like that. I think that is it on the left side of her face. Like, that has to be it, I guess. I'm trying to go over to TMZ. Hold on. Oh, yeah, I can see this too. I'm going over to TMZ. She was 4 months pregnant. Got in her face. Like, so Cardi B accused her of using her phone in Cardi's private medical visit. She's security. Like, if she wasn't in the doctor's office, she ain't subject to HIPAA, bro. Like, that's not even, like, you can, like, there's a public place. Like, there's probably cameras all over. It should have been. Maybe it's not. But that's not illegal to tape somebody. Now, if she's in a doctor's office and stuff, then that's different. Or if she was one of the nurses or something, that's different. She's a security guard. Cardi B plotted to get her fired. It turns out Ellis ended up losing her job. She says it was framed around a HIPAA violation rather than Cardi's threats. So, yeah, I guess, hey, you want me you should go in there and tell us, doctor, she did this, blah, 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 blah. You want me to keep coming here spending thousands of dollars on this private facility, blah? Yo. Yeah, she could have. 5 years later. Yeah, I don't see the photos. I just wanted to see a photo of her, but look at this. Coach is a beautiful little girl. Oh, my God. Yeah. What y'all think, man? It ain't not knowing. I'm going to keep following it. Just let me know what y'all think, because this shit is wild. I don't know how much money Cardi B going to have to fess up from taking this girl, but they taking it all away, and this lady looks serious. I should know. Look, she got that Ellis last name. She's serious. But let me know what y'all think, Cave Dwellers. This shit get crazy. Cardi going to have to come up about that money. I'm surprised. I wonder if Joe Budden done talked about this yet. Let me know.